Second problem in rigid frame. Analyze a rigid frame loaded as shown in figure by strain energy method. Analyze a rigid frame loaded as shown in figure by strain energy method. So we know that first we have to find, step 1 we have to find degree of indeterminacy. Degree of indeterminacy. So we know that for rigid frame, degree of indeterminacy equal to 3m plus r minus 3j, where m equal to, we have three members a, b, b, c and c, d. 3 into 3 plus, for r it is a fixed support. For fixed support unknown 3. It is a roller support. For roller support unknown 1. So totally we have 4 unknown reaction. 4 unknown reaction. Minus 3 into, we have 4 joint A, B, C and D. So 9 plus 4, 13 minus 12 equal to 1. So we can use this formula also, r minus E equal to 4 minus 1. We can use this formula also. So here we no need to find external indeterminacy and internal indeterminacy. So our degree of indeterminacy is 1. So we need to remove one external force. We have to release one external force. So we can we have 3 unknown here. VA, HA and M. We have 3 unknown. So we have one unknown, that is B. So we have to release one unknown. We have to release one unknown. So we can, here we can choose VD as redundant. Here we can choose vertical reaction at D as redundant. Treat VD as redundant. Treat VD as redundant. Therefore, VD equal to R. Treat VD as redundant. Therefore, VD equal to R. VDS redundant. Take VDS redundant. There is a UDL here, 10 kilonewton per meter. It is support A, B, C. Support A, B, C. Right? So in previous problem, step 2, we had find support reaction. So here we can find the redundant force without calculating support reaction. We can, since it is cantilever type of rigid frame, cantilever type of rigid, that is one end fixed and other end free. We had to release this vertical. Since it is cantilever type of rigid frame, we can calculate redundant force without calculating support reaction. So slightly we can go for step 3. You can go for as you did step 2. Find redundant force. Find redundant force. Find redundant force. For that we have to put a tabular column. First one portion, second one origin, third one limit, fourth one M, and fifth one dou m by dou fifth one dou m by dou r. So here we have, if there is a point load in a member, we have to consider that member as two portion. But here there is a no point load. Here there is only one UDL. If there is a UDL over this span, we no need to consider split it into two portion. We have to consider this as single portion. If there is a point load, means we have to consider this as two portion, right? So first portion AB, so here choose a section from here. It is X. So if it is X from this point, means we have to consider A as origin, and the limit is 0 to 4 meter. And second portion, consider a section. So we can choose C as origin. So therefore, from origin X, the distance is L. So second portion BC, origin C, and the limit is 0 to this distance 4. 0 to 4. Limit is 0 to 4. And in third portion, that is CD. For CD, we can consider DS origin. Therefore, limit is 0 to 4. Now, we have to find the moment at this section. To find the moment at this section, we can consider below the section or above the section, above or right side section. We can consider below or above. If you consider below, means we don't know the value of this support reactions. But if here it is non-value, or we know there is a force here. So we know we have to consider right side or above the section. If we consider right side or above the section, there is a movement. Before that, we know that it is sagging, right? Right side upward, left side upward, and it is hogging, right side downward, left side downward. It is negative, right? So listen, it is right side. The R is in right side. So right side, the force is upward. So positive. The distance is R into this distance 4. R into 4. Therefore 4R, and there is a 10 kN load. It is downward. Right side downward. It is sag, hogging. So negative, right side minus. UDL means load into distance by 2. That is 10 into distance. It is 4 into 4 by 2. It is 2. Right? And for second section, we can consider right side or left side. If you consider left side, there are 3 unknowns. So we can go for right side. If you keep your finger at this point, and in the right side, there is an upward force R into this distance X. Therefore R into X, positive, that is right side upward positive, and this 10 kilonewton load, right side downward, so right side downward it is negative minus 10 into distance is x into x by 2, x into x by 2. Next, at third section, third portion, keep your finger at this point, and below this point there is only one force, that is R. That force into vertical force into horizontal distance 0. Therefore it is 0. Now we have to differentiate moment with respect to differentiation of 4R, it is 4, and differentiation of Rx, it is x, it is 0, right? It is 0. Now, so we know that redundant force can be calculated from the following relationship, that is 1 by Ea into dou m by dou r m into dx equal to 0, right? 0 to m. Now, for first section, 1 by Ea, for first section 1 by Ea, keep 1 by Ea in common, 1 by Ea. For first section limit is 0 to 4, and 4R minus 10 into 4, it is 40 into 2, it is 80, and m value, dou m by dou r, it is 4 dx, plus second value, second limit 0 to 4, so it is m equal to rx minus 10 into x square by 2, that is 5x square, dou m by dou x is dou x, plus integration of 0 to 4, 0. Integration of 0 to 4, 0. If you take a here, it will become 0. Therefore, integration of 0 to 4, 4r into 4, it is 16r minus 320 dx, plus integration of 0 to 4, rx into x, it is rx square minus 5x cube into dx equal to 0. Now, different integration of integration of x, here there is no x value, so integration of 1, it is x, 16rx minus 320 x minus 330 x into 0 to 4, plus integration of x square with respect to x, right? Integration of x square, it is rx cube by 3 minus integration of x cube 5 x4 by 4, 0 to 4, equal to 0. Therefore, we have 16r into x equal to 4 minus 320 into 4. If you apply 0, it will become 0, plus r into 4 cube by 3 minus 5 into 4 by 4 equal to 0. Now 16 into 4, it is 64 r minus 1280 plus 4 cube by 3, it is 21.33 R minus 4 divided by 4, it is 4 power 3 into 5, it is 64 into 5, it is 320 equal to 0. Therefore, 85.33 R minus 1280 minus 320. 1280 minus 320 equal to 0. Therefore, 85.33 R minus 1600 equal to 0. Therefore, R equal to 1600 divided by 85. Therefore, R equal to R equal to 18.5 kilometer. 18.5 kilometer. So, we have vertical BA, BD equal to R equal to 18.5 kilonewton, and there is a here 10 kilonewton per meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, and here there is a horizontal force HA and right. Now we have to find this vertical reaction. So we know that sum of upward force equal to sum of downward force. VA plus VD equal to 10 into 4. UDF 10 into 4. So we know the value of VD. Therefore, VA equal to 40 minus 18.5 equal to 21.5 kilometer. 21.5 kilometer. Right? Now, to find HA, sum of horizontal force equal to 0. Therefore, HA equal to, we have only one horizontal force, HA equal to 0. HA equal to 0. And to find the moment about MA equal to the right side, we have VD into, that is VD into distance 4 meter, right side anti-clockwise, so upward, right side upward, it is positive, VD into 4, and right side downward negative, it is 10 into 4 into 4 by 2, 4 by 2, right? Therefore, 18.5 into 4 minus, we have 80. We have 80. Therefore, 18.5 into 4, it is 77 minus 80 equal to minus 3 kilonewton. Minus 3 kilonewton meter. Right? Thank you.